This is how we can rename Mailbox Folder on your iPhone. So if we go to the Mail app on our device like this, you can see that in here, if you are browsing like your emails, you can come back. So you go to the Mailboxes, and in there you can make some changes to them. And of course, some of them are editable while others are not. But you can, for example, see that I have a couple of folders in there, for example, favorites, right? Or work related stuff. And I can hold it down on it or open it up like this. And I'll have the ability to click on edit and now make changes to it, right? So as you can see, when you go to the mailboxes, you browse them, click on edit, and then now tap on the folder which you want, right? So as you can see, I can change the name from work related stuff to just work, for example, right? Work R, so work, hit a save, and then now this is the mailbox folder which has been renamed. A lot of times you might also be able to hold it down on things to rename them, but for some reason it doesn't quite work in the mail app. So we have to click on edit and then tap on it, right? But it is really all that there is to it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm gonna wrap up the video. I just want to be as quick as I can and get to the point as quickly as possible. So if you like this type of approach, subscribe and I'll talk to you later.